Hi friends, this is Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to keep your all YouTube subscriptions private. So if you are subscribing for many channels, and if you are using a channel and if you are subscribed to other channels, in the subscription tab there will be shows your subscription. So how to put your subscription on your private mode. So today we're going to see, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So to hide the subscription, click on your profile, go to your channel option here, and then click on the edit option on the side. You can see keep all my subscription private. So just untick this. So this will make your channel subscription will be seen now. You can see the channel subscription is on public. So if you want to hide, click on the edit option here and you just want to turn it on. So this option help you to hide and unhide your channel subscription. So if you are subscribing to 100 of channels, it will be shown on your YouTube channel on the channel tab. If you want to hide this, just go to your channel, click on, you can see the channel tab here, click on the edit option. You can hide or unhide the channels by using this particular option on your YouTube mobile application. So try this option and you can easily hide or unhide the channel preference by this particular option. So try it on YouTube app.
Friends, if you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about the YouTube futures, just follow this channel and we will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.